Hi, my name is Adrian Pacres. I am a student here at Taipei National University of the Arts, and I'm originally from the Philippines. So today we'll have a brief talk about the Taiwan's cultural history, which is a story of movement, um, an interesting encounter, and eventually a good transformation in the country. So, long before the foreign contact, there is this indigenous Austronesian communities that shape the island's tradition, languages, and traditional practices that eventually expand in the Pacific region down to the Philippines, down to the Indonesia, which contributes to this beautiful diversity and the languages in the region. But eventually, in the 17th century, the Dutch and the Spanish colonizers arrive in the country, uh, and eventually followed by the Han Chinese migration, which eventually contributed um, to the transformation of Taiwan's language, religion, and eventually its social norms. So that's basically how I give this summary of Taiwan's cultural history. Thank you very much. Have a good day.